Vani Vidyalaya Schools, Metric and CBSE, Vellore. Admissions open for 2022-2023. Affordable fee, individual attention, quality education, 100% academic performance. First school in Vellore district to have Atal Tinkering Lab, AC Computer Labs, B.Ed, M.Ed qualified experienced teachers, open talk classes and phonetic classes through MI Kids, NEET, JEE and career guidance, special handwriting classes, coaching classes for slow learners after school hours, extracurricular and co-curricular activities, modern infrastructure, smart classrooms, spacious playgrounds and indoor games, clean and green environment, special coaching classes for board exam students by subject experts, our own safe transport available. For more details,